Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to design a recipe book using Canva. Whether you are an experienced chef sharing your best meals or just want to make a unique gift, Canva provides an easy and enjoyable way to do it. Let's walk through the entire process to build your custom cookbook. Begin by launching Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you are new to the platform, it is a user-friendly design tool available for free on the web. On the main dashboard, head to the search field and enter Recipe Book. This brings up various pre-made layouts to spark your creativity. Look through the different styles available, ranging from clean and simple to bright and colorful. Pick a design that matches the vibe you want for your project, but keep in mind that you can modify it later if needed. Once you find a look you like, select the Customize this template option. This opens the editor where you can adjust every detail to your liking. Now, start swapping out the placeholder text with your specific recipe information. You are free to change the font type, dimensions, and colors. Be sure to review your text for any spelling errors or incorrect measurements. You can also insert additional text boxes if you want to include extra cooking tips. Updating the visuals is just as easy. To change a photo or illustration, click the item and select Replace Image. You can then use your own food photography or browse Canva's massive collection of free stock photos. High-quality images will really make your book stand out, so pick pictures that make the food look delicious. When you are finished, review the entire document to ensure a uniform and professional appearance. Check that your fonts and image placements are consistent across all pages. Finally, click the download icon in the upper right corner. Choose a file type like PDF, and if you plan on printing it, select a high resolution for the best results. You now have a custom recipe book ready to share. Enjoy your cooking and your new design.